Okay, so let us go through question number 13 today. This is also based on your type 6. And what's that? Sums on sales or product mix. Okay, so present the following information to clarify to management. Now, what do you have to clarify? The marginal product cost. You know the meaning of this? Yeah, it's variable cost, and you have to show the contribution per unit. Okay, now these are the sales mix. Material, direct material means variable cost. A and B separately दिया है, ठीक है. Direct wages, obviously it's a part of variable cost. Next, fixed expense, that is fixed cost. Variable expenses are allotted to the products as 100% of direct wages. So this is other variable cost. Okay, selling price आपको दिया है per unit, ठीक है. ये आपका suggested sales mix है. 100 units of A, 200 units of B, 150 units of A, 150 units of B, and 200 units of A, and 100 units of B. Okay. Obviously, you will first start with what? Your contribution per unit. So let us start with that. Working with number 1. Or you can put this number A that you are calculating product mix. Okay. Calculation of marginal product cost, that is variable cost. Variable cost per unit. Okay. So products that are with you is A, B, in that we have direct material 10 and 9, 10 rupees and 9 rupees. Next we have direct wages, how much? 3 rupees and 2 rupees, so 3 and 2. Then we have other variable cost, and they have said it is 100% of direct wages. Okay, just a minute, students. 100% of direct wages. So 100% of direct wages. So 3 rupees ka 100% is 3 rupees, 2 rupees ka 100% is 2 rupees. That's it. This will give me my total variable cost. Total of my variable cost. 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. 9 plus 4 is 30. Okay, so 16 rupees and 13 rupees respectively is my answer for A and B. Okay, then what will you calculate? Marginal contribution per unit. So for that I need to make a marginal cost sheet. Sorry. Marginal cost sheet. That too per unit we are calculating now. A, B. Okay, particulars. product A, product B. Sales less variable cost. Variable cost we have got from. We can give working note number 1. Okay, this part. This is the A part of the question, and in that this is working note number 1. Okay, like this. This is 16, this is 13. Selling prices 20 and 15. Okay, तो जो बच गया that's my contribution. ₹4 and ₹2. Okay, so this completes the first part of the question. Second part में they are asking you which is the most profitable product mix. ठीक है, कितने ऑप्शंस दिए हैं? 3 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. ठीक है. Marginal, the second part of the question. Marginal cost sheet. Okay, first option में A is 100 and B is 200. Talking of production, A is 150 and B is also 150. And third option में ulta of the first option. A is 200 and B is 100. Yeah. Okay. So let us start first with sales. So 100 units multiplied with selling price is 20 rupees plus 200 units multiplied with selling price 15 rupees. Yeah, 15. Next, 150 multiplied with selling price 20 plus 150 multiplied with selling price 50. Next, 200 multiplied with selling price 20 plus 100 multiplied with 15. Okay. Next is sales. Variable cost. Variable cost is same 100 multiplied with 16 rupees. Variable cost कितना है? 16 and 30. Okay. Plus 200 multiplied with 13 rupees. 16 and 30. Same 150 into 16 plus 200 plus 150 into 13. Next 200 into 16 plus 100 into 13. Next less, okay, contribution. I have to write that statement is equal to contribution less fixed cost is equal to what you call profit or loss. to solve this. 100 into 20 is 2000. Okay, press n plus. Then 200 into 15 is 3000. Press n plus on calci. And then you must be having an MRC button on calci. Press that. So you'll directly get the total 5000. Next, 150 into 20, 3000. Press n plus. 150 into 15, 2250. Press n plus. And press MRC. You directly get the total 10,250. Okay, did it take previous total also? I guess it took the previous total also. On your calci, that error will not happen, but this is a digital calci, then maybe this function is not here. That is why. Let me just try. Yeah, it is taking the previous cumulative total also. Fine, so I'll do it directly. 5250. But you all are doing on your calci, this error will not come. 200 into 20 is 4000. 100 into 15 is 150. Okay, so this is 5500. Okay, then 100 into 16, 1600. 200 into 13, 2600. 4200. Next, 150 into 16, 2400. 150 into 13, 1950. You all use the shortcut that I taught you. In this digital calci, it's not coming. 3200. 4500. Okay, please cross check your answer. Then contribution is 800. 5250 minus 4350, it's 900 and 1000. Fixed cost कितना दिया है? 800. And this will become 0, this will become 100, this will become 200. Okay, so now tell me which is the best option out of the three options. Which is the best option that the company should go with? Acknowledge this in the chat box. Which is the best option that the company should go with? Okay, प्रॉफिट किसका ज़्यादा है? ये वाला ऑप्शन का है. Exactly correct. Okay, so write here in the comment. From the above statement, the third option has the highest profitability. Profit. So the company should produce 200 units of A and 100 units of B. this completes my question. Now let us move on to the next variety. Yes. Okay. Is the earlier question clear to everyone? It is acknowledged in the chat box. So here we go on to the next type. Type 7. Sums based on plant merged we can write merged plant capacity. Okay. Okay. Now what is this merged plant capacity? And how will you come to know in exam? It's a question on merged plant. Obviously, see the first line. Read the first line. A, B, and C are three similar plants under same management who want them to be merged for better operations. Okay. So capacity operated लिखा है. The capacity is given. It's operating at 100. This is 70. This is 60. Turnover मतलब sales. Figures are given in lakhs. Variable cost, fixed cost दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. You are required to find out first capacity of the merged plant for break even. Okay. Yeah. Next you have to find मतलब आपको BP निकालना है of the merged plant. Next, profit at 85% capacity of the merged plant. Next, turnover, that is sales of the merged plant, to give a profit of 38 lakhs. Question Samjha? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is the question clear to everyone? Okay, fine. Now, understand what are these merged plants. Okay, what did I tell you in the beginning? There are three similar plants. Okay, so for calculating merged plant capacity, the basic idea assumption is that the plants should be similar. Obviously if they are different I cannot do the comparison. मैं merging कैसे करूँगी? अगर मुझे merging करना है तो तीनों को same base का होना चाहिए, तो तीनों similar होने ही चाहिए. Then only I can go for the calculation of merged plant capacity. ठीक है? So the first thing that you have to remember for merged plant is that it should be at 100%. I repeat, merged plant capacity is calculated at 100%. ठीक है, तो अभी इधर ध्यान दो, ये 100% है. ठीक है, तो मुझे इसको कन्वर्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट इफ़ यू लुक इनटू बी एंड सी प्लांट, आई हैव टू फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू 100 एंड नाउ आई कैन मर्ज देम. समझ में आया? ओके, एक्नॉलेज दिस इन द चैट बॉक्स. समझा मैंने जो बोला? हाउ विल यू मर्ज द प्लांट्स? By making their capacities at par. Okay, fine. ठीक है, so start. सबसे पहले write a note. This note is very important. Wait. For merged capacities, for merged plant capacity, the plant capacity must be at 100. This is very important. ये ध्यान में रखो. Okay. So whenever you get some sums in exam, the first thing that you're going to do is conversion. You will convert your plant capacity, which is not 100, into 100. Okay? Yeah. तो हम बनाएंगे marginal cost statement, obviously. Marginal cost sheet. Okay, right here, rupees in lakhs. Okay, so their capacities are given. Okay, ये 100 पे ही है. I should have prepared a single copy. ठीक है, चलो कोई नहीं. ये तो 100 पे है. Okay, next is 70 and 60. 70 and 60. But we will convert it into 100. This is the important part of the sum. ठीक है, start with sales. कितना है? 300, 280 and 180. 300, 280, 180. Next, variable cost. Less variable cost, how much? 200, 210 and 10. 200, 210 and 90. Next, equal to contribution less fixed cost equal to profit. Okay, solve this. Fixed cost is how much? 70, 50 and 62. This is 30, this is 70, this is 20, this is 30. Okay, is it clear till here? यहाँ तक समझे? ठीक है, now conversion करो. 70% पे it is 280, तो 100 पे कितना? Obviously you will cross multiply. Yeah, तो 70 पे it is 280, तो 100 पे कितना? Cross multiply. Okay, तो 100 into 280 divided by 70. So my answer is 400. So please write here 400. Next, 70 पे 210, तो 100 पे कितना? Again, cross multiply. 100 into 210 divided by 70. 300. So write here 300. Okay, so here it will be 100. Fixed cost will be fixed, whether it is working at 70% or 100%, that will not change. So this will remain same. Okay, so now my answer is 50. Is this clear? Cross multiplication is clear to everyone? Please acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, the same way you do it for the last one. Okay, yeah. 60% pay, it is 180. My sales is 180. So 100 पे कितना? Cross multiply. So 180 into 100 divided by 60. So my answer is 300. So write here 300. Similarly, do it for variable cost. 100 into 90 divided by 60. So my answer is 150. Okay. Fixed cost will remain same whether you are working at 60% or 100% capacity. 62. So 150 minus 62 is 88. Right? Now merge plant. Okay. What are my merge plants? All merge plants are at 100% ना? So कैसे आएगा आपका ये आंसर? A plus B plus C. Okay. So 300 plus 400 plus 300. Do it that way. Okay. A plus B plus C. 300 plus 400 is 700. 700 plus 300 is 1000. Next. Variable cost add करो. 200 plus 300, 500. 500 plus 150, 650. 350. Add all the fixed cost. 70 plus 50, 120. 120 plus 62, 182. $168. These all figures are in lakhs, and don't forget that. समझ में आया everyone? Is this clear till here? No. You have to calculate profit at 85% of the merge plan. ठीक है? Yes. Profit at 85% of the merged plan. तो हमको तो प्रॉफिट मिल गया 100% पे इज 168. अभी मर्ज प्लांट का 85% कैपेसिटी. ठीक है, सो अभी इसको 85 पे कैलकुलेट करो. कैलकुलेट दिस एज 85%. ठीक है, सेम 100% पे इट इज 1000. 85% पे हाउ मच? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. 85 into 1000 divide 85 into 1000 divided by 100. So my answer is 850. Please write down here 850. Same way for this. 100% pay variable cost is 650. So for 85 pay how much? So 85 into 650 divided by 100. 552.5. Keep it as it is. Don't round off. 552.5. Okay. 297.5. ओके, फिक्स कॉस्ट नहीं चेंज होगा. 100% पे 182 था, तो 85 पे भी 182 ही होगा. इट विल नॉट चेंज. सो माय आंसर इज 115.5. ओके, सो आई गॉट माय आंसर. क्या पूछा है? प्रॉफिट एट 85% कैपेसिटी ना, मिल गया. दिस इज माय आंसर. ओके, B1, profit at 85% capacity. Am I clear? समझ में आ रहा है? Everyone, is this clear?